If you have a friend that has everything, give them the gift they don't have. This. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You might have some people, some friends, some family members that maybe have done well in life, and they now have everything they've ever wanted. And you're always like, what can I give them? What can I give them that they don't have? Here it is. By definition, what they don't have is nothing. And this is the gift of nothing. It's a blister pack here, built like every other gift out there. But what it has here is a bubble where it is filled with nothing. You could eat some soup out of the back here. And what that says is that you're giving them nothing because you know there's nothing you could give them that they want. You know, the other thing that you could give them is a Peter Von Panda coffee mug too. I guarantee you they don't have that, but that they could throw away. They can't throw away nothing. So if you are looking for the gift that is really going to surprise someone, give them the gift of nothing. Now, ironically, this gift of nothing is not that cheap. So you definitely have to have some money to be able to give someone nothing, but here it is. If you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.